Hey guys, it's Erica here from Big Hat Creative, and today I'm going to talk about a few ways you can get more people from your Instagram to visit your website. If you're on Instagram for your business, you're probably feeling the pains of its constant changing. It feels like the algorithm changes like every week and they're constantly bringing out new features. It's pretty clear though that Instagram and social media in general and learning new things will never not be a part of business. But every time Instagram flips the switch on us, I have to remember that Instagram isn't my business. Really, my website is. My website, at the end of the day, is where I want people to be. So while the algorithm changes and new features continue to confuse me, my one goal remains the same: get people from Instagram to my website. I just focus on directing people from Instagram to my website and everything gets much easier. All of my sales happen on my website. My email list starts on my website. Everything that's really important to my business is on my website. So I think this should be everyone's strategy. Let go of Instagram a little bit and put more eggs in your website basket. In saying all of that, Instagram is a great way to get new eyes on your business. So then how do we get those people from Instagram all the way to your website? Number one, add your website into your Instagram bio. You've probably already done this, but this is one of the most important things you can do to promote your website from your Instagram. It's front and center for your Instagram visitors to see, so it's really prime real estate. But let's do a bit more than just pasting in your website URL and calling it a day. Firstly, you want to make sure you really entice your visitors to actually click on your website link by giving them a reason to visit your site. Maybe you want to direct them to download a freebie on your site, or you could direct them to more free content based on what you're already promoting on Instagram. For example, something like click here for more tips, or click here to download a freebie, and then have the link underneath. This is going to get so many more clicks than just pasting in your raw URL. Secondly, use your website to create your own Instagram links page, instead of using something like Linktree or link in bio. This method will not only increase your overall website traffic because all of your Instagram clicks are going directly to your site instead of one of those apps, but you can customize it however you like so that people will actually want to stay on your site. I have a whole video tutorial on why you should do this and also how to do it in Squarespace, so I'll link that down below. Number two, use link stickers or the swipe up feature. If you've been on Instagram for a while, you know what the swipe up feature is, and you probably know that it's pretty exclusive, as in it's only available to people with 10,000 followers or more. The swipe up feature is essentially a way to add external links to your Instagram stories. Super handy for linking away to your website, but as I just said, it's pretty hard to get. Luckily, Instagram has seen the error in their ways and is bringing out a new link stickers feature. Essentially, you can add a sticker to your Instagram stories that allows you to add an external URL. The really exciting thing about this is that it's going to be available to everyone, so you don't have to have 10,000 followers or more to access it. And this means that more of us can easily promote our websites from our Instagram stories. There's so much opportunity here to get more website visitors. Linking directly to blog posts, freebies, your email list, sign up, essentially any page you want. The options are endless and the access is so easy for the story viewer. They just click and go and boom, they're there on your website. Side note is though, like when Instagram releases any new products or features, it probably won't be available for a while in certain countries or to certain accounts. So if you don't have it yet, just cross your fingers and wait. Number three, promo your website pages in your Instagram posts. Every post you do on Instagram, or at least most of your posts, should end in some sort of call to action, whether that's to get people to like, comment, DM you, or visit your website. A great way to get people to make the effort to leave Instagram and go all the way to your site is to promote your website pages in your Instagram posts. Some examples of this might be like a post where you intro a team member, and then the call to action might be something like, visit our about page on our website to learn all about our team members. Or you could promote a resource that you love with a call to action of, visit the resources page on our website to get a full list and discounts. People love discounts. Or you could promote a freebie with a call to action of, visit the freebies page on our website to download the freebie. People also love freebies. So the one important tip here is to make finding and visiting these pages as easy as possible for your follower. The best way to make this easy on Instagram is to give them clear directions to visit the link without having to leave the app. Something like, visit the link in our bio and click on the About page to meet the whole team. so they know exactly where to find it and what to click on and how to get there. Easy. Don't add in the full URL of where you want them to go on your website into your Instagram post caption, because it's not clickable and you can't even copy and paste it. So I guarantee hardly anyone will sit there and try and memorize it and then open up Safari and type in your web address. The likelihood of that is very, very small. So basically, promo one of your website pages or something on your website, and then add a clear and simple call to action to get your follower to go to your website. Number 4, include your URL in your videos and reels. Whenever you're creating video content on Instagram and it has some relevance to visiting your website, make sure to just include your URL as text over the top of the video. This URL won't be clickable or copyable, but it's better than nothing. You could also just include link in bio, but it might not be relevant to your link in bio, so you might just want to put your basic website in there. Don't include the full URL to what you're referring to, especially in something like Reels, because they're so short and the URL is usually pretty long. And again, no one is going to screenshot or copy it and type it into Safari. It's just not going to happen. So I recommend including just your main website URL, even if it's just for brand recognition, so that people see your URL more and they'll start to remember it. Don't include it just for the sake of it. If it's not relevant, it might just annoy people. But in many cases, if there's more information about the specific topic you're talking about, you could say or write something as simple as visit our website for more, or visit our website for the full rundown. But in many cases, if there's more information about the specific topic, you could say or write something as simple as visit our website for more, bigcatcreative.com. It may only flash on the screen for a couple of seconds, but giving the people the option of where to go next if they want more from you is a great way to build an audience. Giving them the option of visiting your website is not only going to grow your audience, but also increase your website traffic overall. Okay, so hopefully these tips help you ride out Instagram's ever-changing weather and get your visitors to where they really need to be anyway, which is on your website. See ya!